Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Welcome to e-learning classes. Today, our topic is heat, chapter number 4. In previous classes, I discussed you what is heat. It is a form of energy. It is neither created nor be destroyed, only transform one form to another form. And three medium also described in previous lecture: sensation of heat, how to feel cold and hot, conduction medium in solid body, convection medium in liquid body, and radiation, air and vacuum. The heat transfer in three medium: conduction, convection and radiation. Now today I discuss the sea bridge and land bridge. So sea bridge and land bridge are the phenomena of happen in coastal side area, means seaside area. Living person of in coastal side sea region, the sea sides, cold air blowing inside the house, and land side to hot area upward direction. That is the phenomena in sea bridge and land bridge. So people living in coastal area, in many interesting phenomena are happen. Sea bridge in daytime, it happen in daytime. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises up, because you know the property of gas move always upward direction. So inside the land, hot air is always move and upward direction. So hot air is move upward direction, and seaside air is colder air, that is come inside the land side. So because air travel, that is air vacuum, this mode air move upward direction, so that air seaside air move in that direction. So that air, cold air, is blow in the land side, and land side air is moved in upward direction. That is the land side air moved upward direction, that is sea side. That air, cold air, is blow in this side, land side, that is say to sea bridge. That phenomena is say to sea bridge. So sea colder air comes in land side, and land air move upward direction. Hot air is move upward direction. That phenomena is sea bridge. Okay, again land bridge. Land bridge in happen in night times. That is the reverse phenomena of sea bridge, because that phenomena in night duration, that is say to land bridge, because the sea water is hotter and it is mostly slowly cooled, so long duration. So and land side air is cool easily, so that air is seaside air is moved upward direction, and land side air move in the seaside, that phenomena is, that is sea side air move in first phenomena, that is sea breeze, sea air move in land side. But in this phenomena, that is land and that is sea. So that is move air upward direction, and that land side air is cooler, so that air is moving that direction. So hotter air is move upward direction and colder air is move in seaside. So that phenomena is happen, that is say to land breeze. Land breeze in happen in night, sea breeze happen in daytime. So you know two phenomena, sea breeze and land breeze, both are opposite. So next our topic is radiation. In previous classes discussed, because the heat transfer by the radiation, that is air and vacuum both, when a kettle is hot on the gas on heat, so that is transfer of heat the without medium, because sunlight is transfer from sun to earth in air medium, vacuum medium, both medium are travel, so that is travel the radiation, that is heat also travel, that is say to radiation. Okay, thank you.